Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on changing the locking system of the Thermomix TM5. In this guide, we will go through the essential steps to ensure your device is functioning properly. Let's get started. First, you will need the following tools: a screwdriver set, specifically a Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized as you proceed. 1. Unplug the Thermomix, safety first. Always ensure that your device is unplugged before starting any repair. This prevents any risk of electrical shock or damage. 2. Remove the base cover. Using your Torx screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located at the bottom of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 3. Access the locking mechanism. Once the base cover is removed, gently lift the device to expose the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the existing locking mechanism for any visible damage or wear. If you find it difficult to proceed, our pickup and delivery service can assist you by bringing your device to our repair center. 4. Detach the old locking system. Locate the locking system connected to the bowl. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose. Be cautious not to damage surrounding components. If you don't have the right tools, our service includes no calls, no travel, making it hassle-free for you. 5. Clean the internal area. Before installing the new locking mechanism, it's essential to clean the internal area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This ensures that your new system will function smoothly. 6. Install the new locking system. Now, take your new locking mechanism and place it in the same position as the old one. Ensure it fits snugly and securely. Use the tweezers to help position any small parts that may be tricky to handle. 7. Reattach the base cover. Once the new locking system is in place, carefully reattach the base cover using the screws you set aside earlier. Be sure to tighten them without overdoing it, as this could strip the screws. 8. Test the locking system. Before plugging the Thermomix back in, manually test the locking system by trying to lock and unlock it. It should feel smooth and secure. If it doesn't, you may need to revisit the installation process. 9. Final steps. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and power it on. Check all functions to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. We are here to help. In summary, changing the locking system on your Thermomix TM5 is a manageable task with the right tools and careful attention to detail. Should you prefer professional help, remember our services include pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you have a stress-free experience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.